You're listening to Spring River Chronicle. Audio on the go.
First National Banking Company. Get checking that pays with Super Plus Checking at FNBC.
Arkansas legislators calling for debt relief. Arkansas to join North Dakota and Louisiana with resolution to call for the United States Constitutional Convention. By Lauren Siebert. A group of Arkansas state legislators met at Capitol Hill in Little Rock February 9 to announce the filing of Senate Joint Resolution 1 for the 2012 fiscal session, according to State Senator Jason Rapert, offered by the Arkansas General Assembly. The resolution calls for a National Amendments Convention, bypassing the usual path through Congress, to propose a national debt relief amendment. Rapert also noted that he had already received clearance that, because SJR1 is a resolution and not a bill, it does not require a two-thirds vote to be heard, and will only require 18 votes to pass the Arkansas Senate. Currently 16 senators, 15 Republicans and 1 Democrat have signed on to the resolution. According to Representative Linda Colvin Smith, the NDRA will be proposed under Article 5 of the United States Constitution. While all amendments to the United States Constitution thus far have relied on the United States Congress to propose the amendment, Article 5 does allow for state legislatures to bypass Congress, if two-thirds of the state legislatures 34 pass the same resolution. Article 5 states, in part, that Congress can be bypassed, on the application of the legislatures of two-thirds of the several states, shall call a convention for proposing amendments. Currently 22 state legislatures are considering such resolutions, but Arkansas would be the third in the nation to pass it, joining North Dakota and Louisiana. Assuming the convention is successful in proposing an amendment, that amendment would still need to be ratified by 38 state legislatures, also described in Article 5, which, in either case, shall be valid to all intents and purposes, as part of this Constitution, when ratified by the legislatures of 3/4 of the several states, or by conventions in 3/4 thereof, as the one or the other mode of ratification may be proposed by the Congress, although the exact wording of the amendment would be determined by the convention. It is likely that a current NDRA bill, before Congress, would serve as a model. House Joint Resolution 99, of the United States Congress, states, an increase in the federal debt requires approval from a majority of the legislatures of the several states. Effectively, this would take away Congress' authority to increase the debt limit, sharing that authority with the combined will of a majority of the state legislatures. Rapert explained, in response to a question at the press conference, this says that you can raise the federal debt ceiling, but you have to have 26 states agree to continue to carry us over that cliff. With the skyrocketing federal debt passing $15 trillion, along with Congress' demonstrated inability to rein in its reliance on debt, Senator Rapert stated, the wisdom of moving the approval authority out of Washington, D.C. has resonated in a bipartisan call for the amendment within the state legislatures. According to Representative Smith, by joining the effort to call for the NDRA, Arkansas will be giving power back to the people on a level closer to home. This was a historic day, Smith said. We are excited for things to come, and will continue to fight for the people of Arkansas.
Thanks for listening to Spring River Chronicle Audio on the Go. Be sure to subscribe to the paper and check us out online at myspringriver.com.